Hello, what's up? It's Felix the Bitcoiner and I'm super excited about this Bitcoin meetup here in Nairobi, Thika, our second Bitcoin meetup for the core.
That's just how we roll. You know what it is, how we roll. You know what it is, like that. That's just how we roll.
Can we have it?
Hello, I'm Brian. I'm so excited to be part of the core team, having graduated at cohort 5. So today I'll be helping giving out stickers from Blink. This is the second meetup, but it's my first meetup coming here. I'm so excited to be part of the team. I'm here to network and hopefully by the end I'll earn some sats as payment.
We are excited to have everybody join us today for the Bitcoin meetup, and thank you Blink for, of course, for the support. For 100 million satoshis, we have 1 Bitcoin. The last Bitcoin
logo badge
here.
So these are the main principles in
Abundance in energy mining. Embrace personal responsibility. Subsidy fee ngapi? It was green.